Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are traveling to a time when polished aluminum trailers turned heads faster than a brand new convertible rolling down Main Street. Our star is the 1950 Westcraft Calypso trailer, a shining example of post-war American optimism. This was the era when families dreamed about highways, national parks, and freedom on four wheels. The Calypso arrived looking so elegant that people probably spent as much time admiring the trailer as they did admiring the scenery. And honestly, I understand them. If I had parked one of these beauties in my driveway, even the neighborhood's most toxic neighbor would have stopped complaining long enough to stare at it. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our community of classic vehicle enthusiasts. Every subscription helps us uncover more forgotten transportation legends, and unlike certain politicians, we actually deliver what we promise. Well, most of the time. The story of the Westcraft Calypso begins in the United States during the golden age of travel trailers. Following World War II, American manufacturing was booming. Wartime production techniques, especially those involving lightweight aluminum construction, found new civilian applications. Consumers suddenly had disposable income, roads were improving, and families wanted adventure. Companies rushed to satisfy this demand, but Westcraft sought to do more than simply build a trailer. The company wanted to create a premium travel experience. The market of the late 1940s and early 1950s was highly competitive. Manufacturers such as Airstream and numerous regional builders were competing for buyers who wanted comfort away from home. Westcraft positioned itself toward customers seeking a more luxurious experience. These were travelers who wanted to explore the country without sacrificing style. Over the decades, surviving Westcraft Calypso trailers became highly desirable among collectors. Their rarity, beautiful construction, and historical significance helped preserve their reputation. Many examples disappeared through hard use, neglect, or modernization projects that removed original features. Fortunately, dedicated restorers recognized their value and invested enormous effort into preserving these rolling pieces of history. Technically speaking, the Calypso demonstrated the advantages of aircraft-inspired construction methods. Lightweight aluminum body panels helped reduce overall weight while providing excellent durability. The streamlined shape also improved towing characteristics compared with more boxy designs of the period. Although this was not a race machine, the reduced drag contributed to smoother highway travel. The trailer utilized a robust steel chassis beneath its aluminum shell, creating a combination of strength and relatively low weight. Suspension systems of the era were designed primarily for durability rather than luxury, but the Calypso generally provided stable towing performance when paired with suitable tow vehicles. Owners appreciated its ability to handle long-distance journeys across varying road conditions. Inside, designers focused on maximizing usable space. Efficient layouts included sleeping accommodations, storage areas, dining facilities, and practical living features. Every square foot had a purpose. Modern RV owners often marvel at elaborate slide-outs and electronic systems. But the Calypso reminds us that clever design can accomplish remarkable things without relying on complicated technology. The use of aluminum provided another major advantage, resistance to corrosion, compared with many conventional materials. Properly maintained examples could survive for decades while retaining much of their original character. This durability contributes significantly to the Calypso's collector appeal today. The design philosophy behind the 1950 Westcraft Calypso was surprisingly sophisticated. Rather than creating a simple box on wheels, Westcraft aimed to deliver elegance and efficiency in equal measure. The flowing aluminum body reflected the influence of aircraft engineering and modern industrial design. Rounded corners softened the overall appearance while also helping the trailer slip through the air more effectively. Large windows welcomed natural light, making the interior feel more spacious than its actual dimensions suggested. Even today, many restored examples look more stylish than some modern recreational vehicles that cost as much as a small house. What impresses collectors most is how the Calypso balanced luxury and practicality. Every cabinet, compartment, and furnishing served a purpose. Nothing felt excessive, yet the trailer still conveyed a sense of refinement. Today, collectors often compare Westcraft models with vintage Airstreams because both embraced aluminum construction and streamlined styling. However, many enthusiasts argue that Westcraft trailers possess a distinctive personality all their own. Restored Calypsos frequently attract crowds at vintage RV gatherings, where admirers study every polished panel and period-correct detail. Dreamers see them and immediately imagine cross-country adventures. Timmy usually imagines opening a campground tavern, which explains a lot about his life choices. The Calypso also accumulated its share of fascinating stories and near legends. Period advertisements celebrated freedom, comfort, and modern living. Owners wrote enthusiastically about family vacations that covered thousands of miles. Some trailers crossed deserts, climbed mountain roads, and survived decades of changing travel trends. These journeys transformed many Calypsos from ordinary recreational vehicles into cherished family heirlooms. Before discussing value, the Westcraft Calypso deserves genuine praise. It represents an era when designers combined craftsmanship, optimism, and innovation into something that was both beautiful and useful. Few travel trailers capture the spirit of post-war America so effectively. It remains a rolling reminder that adventure does not require excessive complexity. Exact prices varied depending on configuration and options. In today's collector market, values depend heavily on originality, restoration quality, and historical documentation. Exceptional examples offered through major collector auctions have achieved impressive results, while well-preserved trailers continue to command strong interest among vintage RV enthusiasts. Restored Calypsos are generally valued significantly higher than neglected examples, proving once again that maintenance is cheaper than regret. In the end, the 1950 Westcraft Calypso stands as one of the most elegant travel trailers of its generation. It combined attractive styling, practical engineering, and the promise of adventure into a package that still captivates enthusiasts more than 70 years later. Whether displayed at a show or used for weekend camping, it continues to represent the romance of the open road.